Getting ready for a newborn can feel overwhelming with so many baby products out there. To make things easier, I have listed the best newborn essentials that are actually worth buying. These are practical items that can help with everyday baby care, from feeding to sleep and everything in between. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Frida Baby Cradle Cap. Lather your baby's head using a soft foam sponge with baby soap, cradle cap shampoo, or oil for an effective cleansing routine. Massage gently with a soft bristle brush in circular motions to loosen cradle cap flakes. Lift away flakes with a fine-toothed comb for complete relief. This all-in-one kit includes essential tools for parents to efficiently manage cradle cap. Designed with ultra-soft materials, it remains gentle on delicate baby skin while ensuring effective treatment. Groundsy Nasal Aspirator for Baby. Effortlessly clear nasal congestion with 3 adjustable suction levels, quickly removing both dry and wet boogers. Designed by pediatric ENTs, this aspirator features anti-backflow technology and 3 soft, food-grade silicone tips for gentle, safe use. Built-in soothing light and music distract babies, making cleaning stress-free. A transparent, detachable snot chamber allows for easy cleaning without the hassle of constant filters. Upgrade your baby care routine with this hygienic, budget-friendly alternative to traditional suction methods. Graco Infant Car Seat. Ensure your baby's safety with this lightweight, rear-facing infant car seat, suitable for infants from 4 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches. The 4-position adjustable base provides a secure fit as your baby grows, while an easy-to-read level indicator eliminates installation guesswork. Engineered with Graco Protect Plus technology, it undergoes rigorous crash testing for maximum protection. Soft-knit infant head and body supports provide extra comfort, making every ride safe and cozy. Ecape Inflatable Baby Seat. Easily inflate within 3 minutes using a built-in air pump for a hassle-free setup. Crafted from non-toxic, skin-friendly PVC, this seat offers durability and leak resistance. A high backrest provides essential support, ensuring spinal protection for babies learning to sit. The bionic design mimics a comforting embrace, offering security against falls. Versatile for feeding, playtime, and travel, it folds compactly, making it a convenient and safe seating option for home or outdoor adventures. Ingenuity Baby Bouncer. Switch between bouncing, rocking, and a stationary seat to match your baby's preference. Designed for infants and toddlers up to 40 pounds, this neutral-tone bouncer blends seamlessly into any home. A cozy infant bolster provides extra support for newborns, with 2 reclining positions for added comfort. Soothing vibrations keep babies calm, while a detachable plush elephant toy encourages sensory engagement. Powered by AC battery, this safety-tested bouncer ensures a secure and soothing experience. Bright Start's floor seat with feeding tray. Enjoy 3-in-1 functionality as a floor seat, feeding seat, and toddler booster for versatile use. Safe for both indoor and outdoor settings, it folds compactly for travel and includes a carrying bag. A dishwasher-safe tray and machine-washable seat pad make cleaning effortless. Designed with a secure 3-point harness and BPA-free tray, this seat supports up to 37 pounds. The gender-neutral Finding Nemo design makes it a perfect gift for growing babies and active families. Mom Cozy Bottle Brush Kit. Revolutionize bottle cleaning with an innovative press-to-foam silicone brush that creates dense foam for a thorough clean. Ultra-soft silicone bristles ensure a scratch-free experience, while the compact, removable design fits conveniently in a travel bag. A 360-degree cleaning system reaches every angle and corner with ease. Multiple brush heads cater to different cleaning needs, making it perfect for bottles, breast pumps, teats, and straws, ensuring a hygienic, mess-free baby feeding routine. Viproud Thermometer. Get fast and accurate temperature readings with a hygienic, non-contact design. Featuring color-coded guidance and soft beep alerts, it instantly indicates normal or high temperatures. A large LED display ensures easy reading, even in dim lighting. Simply hold near the forehead, press a button, and receive results in 1 second. The dual-mode function measures forehead, room, and food temperatures. With memory storage, one-touch mute, and auto shut-off, it's a must-have for any family. Infantino Carrier. Elevate baby wearing with stylish prints, available in leopard, camo, and rainbow. This convertible 4-in-1 carrier supports newborns to toddlers with multiple carrying positions. Effortlessly adjusts straps, waist belt, and ergonomic seat for a perfect fit. Designed for convenience, it's easy to put on and remove, freeing your hands while keeping your baby close. Affordable and versatile, this carrier allows parents to stay active while ensuring their baby's safety, comfort, and developmental needs. Polani Baby Diaper Bag Backpack. Stay organized with a multifunctional 4-in-1 diaper bag designed for modern parents. Spacious yet compact, it features 16 pockets, including 3 insulated bottle holders and elastic side pockets for wipes and essentials. Crafted from waterproof 300D Oxford fabric, it's durable, lightweight, and travel-ready with built-in stroller buckles. Thoughtfully designed with reinforced seams, a key loop, and an ergonomic structure, this backpack ensures convenience and comfort for every adventure with your little one. Havelo Baby Bottle Warmer. Make feeding time effortless with a bottle warmer that heats milk to the perfect temperature in just 25 seconds. Featuring 4 adjustable temperature settings, 98.6 degree, 104 degree, 122 degree, and 158 degree Fahrenheit, it ensures the ideal formula temperature for your baby. A built-in night light provides convenience for nighttime feedings, while the BPA-free, food-grade material ensures safety. With a 400W high-power heater and 24/7 standby water at body temperature, this warmer delivers quick and hassle-free bottle preparation. Kopi Baby Portable Diaper Changing Pad. A must-have for parents on the go, this portable changing pad provides a clean, waterproof, and comfortable surface for diaper changes anywhere. Designed for convenience, it easily attaches to strollers, bags, or wrists with Velcro straps and a buckle loop. The Smart Wipes pocket allows quick access, ensuring you're always prepared. With ample storage, including detachable compartments for baby essentials and an outer pocket for parents' items, this changing pad makes outings stress-free and organized. Baby Einstein Activity Jumper. Encourage your baby's sensory exploration with an activity jumper featuring lights, music, and ocean sounds. Designed for infants 6 to 12 months, it offers 3 interactive modes: piano mode for creating songs, melody mode for built-in tunes, and learning mode for teaching colors and numbers in 3 languages. With 4 adjustable heights and a 360-degree rotating seat, it keeps your baby engaged. The 6 interactive ocean-themed toys and 3 link loops provide endless fun and developmental stimulation. Fancy Baby Nail Trimmer. Ensure gentle nail care with an electric nail trimmer designed for babies and moms. Featuring 10 cushion grinding heads and 8 replacement sandpapers, it offers long-term use without the need for extra purchases. The whisper quiet motor, under 60 decibel, and built-in LED light allow safe trimming even while the baby sleeps. Adjustable settings include 6 cushion sandpapers and 4 working modes, allowing precise control over speed and rotation. Battery operated for easy daily use, it's the perfect nail care tool. Pamo Babe Foldable Playard. Designed for babies 0 to 3 years old, this foldable playard offers a secure and spacious area for sleep and play. Measuring 39.4 by 27.6 by 27.6 inches, it includes a detachable bassinet, soft sleeping nest, and a sturdy diaper organizer. Its easy-to-assemble design allows for quick setup and hassle-free folding for storage or travel. With 2 wheels and brakes for mobility, this multifunctional crib ensures flexibility and convenience, making it a practical choice for parents at home or on the go. Blissful Diary Baby Play Gym. Support your baby's sensory and motor development with a spacious 53x37-inch play gym. The soft, high-quality mat provides comfort and safety, while 6 detachable sensory toys, including rattles, a teether, and a mirror, enhance cognitive and hand-eye coordination skills. Designed for tummy time, sitting, and play, it encourages early development. Its non-slip backing prevents movement, and the removable gym can double as a stylish backdrop for baby photos. Easy to clean and assemble, it's perfect for daily playtime. Cruisia Baby Clothes Organizer. Maximize storage with a 12-pack drawer organizer set featuring 116 compartments for socks, underwear, and clothing. Designed to fit most dresser drawers, it includes various sized bins for versatile organization. Made from thick non-woven fabric with reinforced stitching, the breathable and odor-free material ensures durability. With foldable, stackable designs and added plastic boards for stability, these organizers create a clutter-free space, perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or nurseries. Easy to assemble and store, they simplify organization effortlessly. Povtire Baby Bibs Organizer. Transform messy storage into a stylish display with this innovative bibs organizer. Designed with a neutral color scheme, it fits seamlessly into any nursery. The strong metal hooks and durable wooden ring clamps securely hold baby bibs, pacifier clips, and accessories. Its multifunctional design also accommodates burp cloths and headbands. Measuring 14 by 26 inches, it saves space while keeping essentials within reach, making daily routines smoother. Handmade with premium materials, it's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Hello Baby Monitor. Stay connected with a baby monitor featuring a 5-inch color display and remote-controlled 355-degree pan and 120-degree tilt for full room coverage. Infrared night vision ensures clear visuals even in low light, while secure 2.4 GHz FHSS technology provides a private connection with no Wi-Fi needed. Two-way audio allows instant communication, and smart features include room temperature monitoring, lullabies, and power-saving modes. Expandable to 4 cameras, it's an essential tool for keeping an eye on your baby. Your Baby Bottle Sterilizer. Achieve 99.99% sterilization with a 6-in-1 bottle sterilizer that ensures bottles and baby essentials are disinfected with natural steam. Featuring multiple functions, including drying, storage, and food steaming, it offers convenience for busy parents. With a large capacity that fits up to 11 bottles, it remains compact enough for countertops. The ergonomic design and BPA-free, food-grade materials ensure safety. Quick drying with filtered hot air eliminates the need for a drying rack, making bottle prep effortless. Bringing a newborn into the world is an incredible journey, and having the right essentials can make all the difference in creating a smooth and joyful experience for both you and your little one. These 20 Amazon newborn must-haves are designed to simplify your life, keep your baby comfortable, and give you peace of mind as you navigate parenthood. Want to grab any of these essentials for yourself? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with fellow parents, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.